Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Pearl Bath Bombs. This is their monthly subscription and this is for the month of November. This is one of their new bath bombs and this is huge and it's really heavy. So I will be doing individual demos on all these products. Just wanted to show you what came in the box this month. I've decided to get it this month and then next month, and then I might cancel after that. But here's a cute little pumpkin. I haven't done a reveal on this one either, so that one will be fun. Love how the top of that's painted, super pretty. And the last item, this is also new, and it's called Marshmallow, I don't remember, something marshmallow, but pretty cute. They also came out with a bunch of new Christmas stuff, so I may or may not get that. I think I might wait to see if it's coming in the December box or not. But with this subscription, you get 3 bath bombs. Sometimes they'll give you 2 bath bombs and like bath salt or a different type of product. But I do have a couple unboxings on my channel in case you want to see it. But I just want to show you what this month was. And if you're interested, stay tuned because I will be doing demos and ring reveals. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.